Ricky Stewart.
Ricky Stewart. Fred.
Ricky Stewart and Freddie.
Yeah.
Or individually. Oh, so the coach was Ricky Stewart and the captain was it Fitzy or Brad Fittler? Brad Fittler.
Brad Fittler, captain.
Ricky Stewart, coach.
Sticky Stewart.
Yeah. Freddie captain.
Minnie's not. Point scorer.
You've got to take an educated guess.
Well, try scorers, we got Toopsy, then we got Minnie. Minnie didn't kick though. Craig Fitzgibbon.
Craig Fitzgibbon.
Fitz?
I think it's Fitzy, yeah.
Yeah, Fitz.
Toopsy's try scorer now, isn't he?
Yeah.
Fitzy's point scorer. Fitzy?
Yeah. Craig Fitzgibbon. Sydney City Roosters.
Eastern Suburbs. Sydney Roosters.
Chookies.
Sydney City Roosters. And Sydney Roosters. We're on here.
Sydney City, Eastern Suburbs, and Sydney Roosters.
Sydney City Roosters.
East.
And the Sydney Roosters.
Sydney City Roosters. Sydney Roosters. Is there one more? Sydney Ford. Oh, I don't know. Oh no, Eastern
Suburbs.
Eastern Subs. Yeah. So where did I get City Ford? I forget.
6 again. Oh, the 6 again. 6 again. Was it? They had the 6 again, got the ball back. Rads put Siwa through, then got off the offload from Latrell
Oh, okay.
on the wing.
Look
But
at
I don't know.
Back yourself.
The 6 again. The no 6 again. 6 again to no 6 again.
No 6 again. Jack White played the ball.
Ooh.
I was in the crowd. Go Tubes. No.
Did you ask him for his boots after?
Yeah, I was trying to, but he just walked past me. so-
Ah,
no.
that's a lie. That's a lie. Wentworth Park. Wenny Park.
Jesus, we're on. Couple of local juniors, that's why.
That's it. Wentworth.
Wentworth Park. Wenny Park.
Right, you can answer these. No, you're going good.
Oh, no, I was actually surprised
yeah,
myself.
you go. If you need me, I'll be like the audience.
Wentworth Park.
This year, NRL on 9 is your one-stop shop for all footy.
That's right, Freddie. Not about the highlights. Action. 7 days a week.
Billy and Gus podcast, get that on your drive on the way home. Immortal Behaviour. Grab a seat on the couch for that. And of course, my favourite, Freddie in the Own.
The best footy brains, the biggest games.
Don't trust the algorithm. Subscribe to NRL on 9 and get all your entertainment there.